Skip first entry in for loop in Python. In Python, how do I do something like
To skip the first element in Python, you can simply write, or to skip the last element. You can use this concept for any sequence, not for any iterable though.
The other answers only work for a sequence. For any iterable, to skip the first item. If you want to skip the last, you could do
The best way to skip the first items is ILIS in this case is invoked with a start point of 1 and an end point of none, signifying the end of the iterable. To be able to skip items from the end of an iterable, you need to know its length, always possible for a list, but not necessarily for everything you can iterate on. For example, ILIS cars 1 len cars -1 will skip the first and last items in cars.
Here is a more general generator function that skips any number of items from the beginning and end of an iterable. Example usage.
This code skips the first and the last element of the list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.